How to fix payment method in Google Play Store. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can fix your payment method in Google Play Store, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to fix your payment method in Google Play Store, let's say you're not being able to purchase it or anything, I want you to just add some other payment method. Now to do this, first of all, open up your Google Play application, just tap the profile icon from the top right hand side, go to payments and subscriptions, then go to payment methods. Here you'll be able to see a list of payment methods that you've added. First of all, just remove the current payment method. Once you've removed them, just tap on add credit or debit card. Try to link some other cards if you do have. If it works, then the problem is with your previous card and the card issuer. If not, then it is most likely with the Google Play. Just try to use another card and then you should be good to go. That's it on how you can fix your payment method in Google Play Store. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.